Hey everybody, this is Angie from Wheelersburg Academy of Aesthetic Education, and welcome to our first ever episode of Spanish is Fun in Small Doses. So I'm going to host this small tutorial teaching you about Spanish vowels. So let's get started. In English, our vowels are A, E, I, O, and U, sometimes Y. In Spanish, we have exactly the same vowels. The only difference is the pronunciation. So if we start off here in the same order, we have ah, which takes the same sound as the O in hot. If you pay attention to the form of my jaw, ah, we've got a nice rounded mouth and lots of air coming up through the windpipe. Ah. The next one that we have is A, which takes the same sound as the AY in hay. E is the double E in meat. And here, I like to tell my students that I want to see them smile. It's a very teethy smile, but all the same, I want to see them smile when they say E. Next, we have O, as in the OW in toe, and oo, as in the double O in moo. Recap: a, e, o, u. Those are our Spanish vowels. Now, tune in tomorrow and I'm going to start teaching you a little bit of the alphabet. Until then, have a great day. Bye-bye.